About the preparations that are underway currently for the Prime Minister's roadshow. What time is the roadshow expected and what's happening on the ground?
See, rather than giving you the details of the roadshow, I'll let the visuals speak for themselves. We are at the spot where, in the middle of the route on which the roadshow will pass. It will start at around 7ish. That is what we have been told. Prime Minister has just started from Bengal. He has not landed at Patna yet, and this is the route. He starts from a place called Exhibition Road in Patna, and it is around a 2-kilometer long road. You can see the crowd here. You can see how the BJP workers they have crowded the entire street. They are here and they have been camping here for last several hours. They are all eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister to come here. And remember, Prime Minister would be holding this roadshow. Then he takes the night stay at the Raj Bhavan, and then tomorrow he has a busy schedule. He would be starting his public meeting from Hajipur, where Chirag Paswan is in contest, and then the public meeting at Muzaffarpur, and finally the one at Saran, Chhapra, where Rajiv Pratap Rudy is in fray. So he will have a busy schedule in Bihar. It will start. It starts today, and it actually ends tomorrow afternoon, and then he immediately proceeds for Banaras to hold another roadshow there at Banaras. Yeah.
All right, so that of course is what the Prime Minister's schedule is like, but it's a key phase of the election in Bihar tomorrow, Prabhakar, isn't it? There are some key contests as well as far as the BJP is concerned, and the NDA, remember, has has done exceedingly well in the 2019 election. It was a clean sweep for the NDA as far as 2019 Lok Sabha polls were concerned, and a key phase in Bihar tomorrow as well. So the timing of the roadshow, of course, is very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting. And while the polling would be happening in the 5 constituencies of Bihar, Prime Minister would be addressing public meetings in a very adjoining location. Hajipur is the location from where just 20 kilometers from there, the Ujiarpur Lok Sabha constituency is there where the polling would be happening. So at a very adjoining place, district, he would be holding a public meeting. See, the stakes are high for NDA in this particular phase, I would say. 5 seats are going for polls today: Ujiarpur, Samastipur, Darbhanga, Begusarai and Munger. Remember, Begusarai, you have Giriraj Singh, the Union Minister, who is in fray. You have Lalan Singh from Munger, and you have Nityanand Rai, the Minister of Home, the MOS Home actually, who is in fray from Ujiarpur. So the stakes are high for NDA. They had retained these 5 seats in the last elections, and it's basically for them to defend the numbers out here. All the 5s were with NDA, and they have to defend the numbers tomorrow and when the poll happens.